Hi guys, I want to show you something that I think you might find funny. So one of the authors I talk about on this channel is Alexander Dugin, Putin's brain. I've been studying him for a long time. I wrote a book about him. And recently when he was on Tucker Carlson's channel, I put out a video, Dugin Tucker Carlson After Party, where I discussed his various books and ideas and all of that. And at the same time, I'm trying to grow my channel. So I was thinking about ways to promote that video to help grow the channel. So one of the things you can do on YouTube is you can run an advertisement on your videos. So in the past, I've tried advertising Nietzsche and this book, Selective Breeding and the Birth of Philosophy. Right now, I'm advertising some of my, this latest video on Derrida, earlier one on Schmidt. But if you see this in the middle, Dugin on Carlson, I tried advertising that and I got a notification that I can't. So it says active limited, but it's actually, so limited that it's not active. And what's the issue if you see the pop-up? Election interference. Now, maybe you don't see that. You can't do election advertising in the United States. So the promotion was stopped effectively because it's election advertising, election interference. And you think, what's election interference about discussing Alexander Dugin's books, his appearance on Tucker Carlson, his beliefs about the world, his philosophy? I guess if you're a Democrat, you can talk about Russia, and that's not election interference. But if you're not a Democrat and you talk about Russia, that's election interference. So I thought you'd find that amusing and interesting. It's not permitted, I guess, to advertise your thoughts on Alexander Dugin's Tucker Carlson appearance because who knows, fewer people will vote for Joe Biden if they understand the Great Reset versus the Great Awakening. I don't know. What do you think? Russia. Okay. Always a topic, all the more so in election season. Not only are Dugin's books banned from Amazon, but I apparently am banned from advertising my videos about him on this channel. Election interference or election advertising. Obviously, that video has nothing to do with the election, only in the indirect way that Dugin is critical of the forces of the Great Reset. He sees that to be a Biden-related project. I mean, he does talk about Trump, and he does say in which way he's supportive of Trump, but that's not election advertising, is it? To discuss why a certain thinker does or doesn't support set of ideas that are represented by a political party. What do you think?